This video explains how to use the television in the Redwood Room at Evergreen House. So these televisions are smart TVs, so you can connect to BBC iPlayer, YouTube, Amazon Prime using your own account. We do supply Netflix on the television for free. Now, to access that, you need to turn on the television using the red button. That will start up the television. Now this may load into Netflix. If it doesn't, then if you push the home button, then you'll see this bar at the bottom will appear, and you push on Netflix using the arrows, and this is the enter button in the middle. And if you push that, then that would load up Netflix. Then you just select on the room. So here we are in Redwood Room. So just go into here. That will load up, and then you're free to select any channel, anything you like within here. To turn off the television, just push the red button. And that's how to use Netflix in Redwood Room. Thank you.